Hey everybody, in this video we are looking at example 4 in a playlist of final exam review videos. Here we are being asked to expand this logarithmic expression. This is read as log base 5 of g squared k, or times k, over r. So we're going to expand this using properties of logarithms. There are three properties that we're going to be working with: product property, quotient property, and power property. If you want a deeper analysis and overview of this, you have to go to the exponential and logarithmic functions playlist, and then you are going to go to either section 2 or 3. It's actually going to be in the description box of this, and you're going to look for properties of logarithms. You will find a bunch of examples and lesson videos there, okay? But I'm just going to go into what the answer would look like in this case. So what we're going to do to expand is log base 5 stays. Do not lose that base 5. It's not log 5. It's not log of 5. It's log base 5 of. Now, a product becomes addition. A quotient is going to evolve into subtraction. And a power is going to come out front. So while this starts off as g squared, that 2 is going to move out front and become a coefficient. So you have 2 log g. Now that multiplication is going to become addition, so plus log base 5 of k, and then the division is going to allow us to do some subtraction, so minus log, still base 5, of r. Now if this was perhaps r w, okay, you would do minus log base 5 of w. Anything in the denominator gets a minus out front. Initially it would be in parentheses with a plus, but then you would distribute that minus because you're a genius, and it would also have a minus, and that's the same working backwards. Anything with a minus out front implies that it essentially had come from the denominator of the original expression that you were taking the log of. When it's condensed, this is the form that's condensed. When it's condensed, you will have log written once, and this whole thing is one quantity together, and that's where we go from there. I hope you were able to follow. Like I said, go look for the video on the lessons if you need more on this. If you're happy and you love it, thumbs it up. No, thumbs down. Questions, comments, concerns, feedback, and requests, go in the comment section. Check the description box for links to more videos on this playlist or further help on this topic. And you could also just check the playlist that pops up on the screen right now for more videos on a pre-calculus final exam review. That's it for now. Adios.